So episode 3 was one of those episodes which is just a kind of a bridge between the storyline, and it was really not that much necessary based on the storyline. Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So with Loki, I have just trying to making this kind of a 2-minute explanation review wherein I'll be discussing the entire episode. So spoiler alert, if you haven't seen episode 3 yet, then there would be heavy spoilers in this video. So let's start with the video. So the third episode of Loki starts with the Lady Loki trying to get some more information from the employee of TVA whom she had captured in the earlier episode, and then we get to see Loki following her back to the TVA where her ultimate mission was going to be. And in a fight with the TVA employees, they just try to escape from that reality and land up on an alternatively a different world, which on a planet which was by the name of Lamentus 1 in the year 2077. And we get to see that they are trying to escape from all the places because that planet is on the verge of its extinction. It is almost going to collapse, so they do find a way of traveling back to the place and traveling back to the TVA, and their only option is now going to be the device from which that they landed up on that planet. And in order to revive that device, they would need a lot of power source. So in the way of doing that, there was a way that they are trying to travel back towards the train, which is going to be a spaceship, and that would have been an enough amount of energy source for them to recharge that device. And in order to do that, there's a lot of funny part in the episode which would be happening. And one of the most important part that we get to know in the episode is her identity, which is by the name of Sylvie. So either she could be the Enchantress, or it could be Loki, the Lady Loki, or in the future episodes we would get to see her exact identity. But unfortunately, before they were able to go back all the way towards the spaceship, there is a lot of action sequence, and unfortunately they are not able to make to that spaceship. So would they be stranded on that abandoned planet? And also we get to see a very important highlight about the TVAs, that they are not actually what they tell they are also a part of variants. So even TVA is formed by multiple variants who are traveling in time. So that is it for this video, guys. Do let me know what you think about the video in the comment section below. Also, Enchantress or Lady Loki, what exactly could be her real identity, and also what could be now the real reason how exactly the TVA is working, and who exactly are they behind, and how are they now going to escape that abandoned planet, because there's no spaceship and there's also not the device that they can travel to through time. So probably their only chance might now be, because also this planet is on the very edge of the Kree location. So either there could be some kind of relation between the Kree or the future Skrulls, because they are all the way in the 2077. So either they can just wait for Mobius or the TVA to find them, or what could be their ultimate purpose. So thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.